got in on the video. So it seems I put my stop in a good position. I'm not gonna move it until we get further up here, see what happens at this level, this resistance. If it goes past that, I'm putting my stop underneath that resistance. Just got out of the position. So not a bad entry. Got in right here after it broke this high, this level, and then broke this swing made after that level. We got in right here, and I wanted to put my stop, I believe I put it like halfway on this candle. This is a pretty large candle, so I put it halfway on this candle. It moved up on this candle, so I moved my stop right underneath that candle, playing it tight, and how did it get out when this dropped down here? But I'm interested to see what happens with this.